This is almost like the mythology on Bruce Lee, who you knew very well, and actually your first movie.
I did my first film with him in 1972.
What was he like?
Well, Bruce, you know, when I fought for the world title here in New York at Madison Square Garden in 1968, Bruce was doing a TV series called The Green Hornet, and so he was a guest. And after I had won the title, the promoter introduced me to Bruce, and so Bruce and I started talking, and we really got involved in our conversation. He says, "Well, let's work out when we get back to LA." And I said, "Okay." So we went back, and we worked out together for a couple of years.
Now, what does that mean? Let's work out. You go
We just worked out.
lift barbells together.
No, punching bags, and you know, and kicking the bag, and all this kind of stuff here.
But not fighting each other.
No, you know, I was a professional fighter.
And he was not.
But he was good. He was good.
So you could have beaten him.
Well, I don't even know. I didn't want to go there. I didn't go, and Bruce didn't want to.
You're being modest.
Bruce didn't want to go there, and I didn't want to go there. But anyway, we worked out together. And then Bruce left for Hong Kong to pursue his movie career, and so I didn't hear from him for a couple of years. And then he calls me out of the blue. He says, "Chuck, I've done 2 movies in Hong Kong, and they're hugely successful." He says, "I want to do a movie now in Rome, in the Colosseum, with a fight, just like 2 gladiators." He said, "And I want you to be my opponent."
Wow.
And I said, so kiddingly, I said, "Well, Bruce, who wins this fight?" He says, "I win. I'm the star of this movie." Right. I said, "Oh, I see."
It's the only fight you ever lost?
No, I said, you want to beat the world champion," because I still held the world title. He says, "No." He said, "I want to kill the world champion."